Introverts, you think deeply, you listen well, and you move with purpose. But if you've ever felt invisible, overlooked, or passed up for opportunities, it might come down to one thing: the quiet mistake. Let's talk about the biggest weakness introverts face, and how to fix it. The number one weakness for most introverts? Waiting to speak until everything feels perfect. Overthinking is hesitation. And while you're waiting to get it just right, someone else is speaking up, and getting credit for less. Carl Jung demonstrated that introverts tend to direct their energy inward. However, that inward focus can trap us in a cycle of perfectionism. He said, "You're what you do, not what you say you'll do." The result? Great ideas get stuck in our heads, instead of shaping the world. Here's how to fix it. 1. Treat your thoughts like drafts. Share before you feel done. 2. Use writing to express ideas clearly. 3. Set deadlines for speaking. 4. Develop habits of low-risk visibility, such as leaving a brief comment in one meeting per week. You don't have to shout to be heard. But you do have to show up. Introverts, your voice is powerful. Use it, even before you feel ready. For more introverted insights, check out The Strategic Introvert by clicking the link below.